A wonderful morning to all my wonderful viewers and listeners. Welcome to my channel Genesis. I pray to God that you all are doing well, and I want to tell you that I will be busy these days and the board exams of class 10th and 12th 2021 and 22. So there will be a quite delay to post new videos on channel, and I'm really sorry for that. So in today's segment I have brought a topic, article writing, and this particular topic is there in CBSE board as well as in your syllabus also. And in today's segment we will learn about article writing, objectives, what is the format of article writing, and what are the important tips to remember. So without wasting any further time, let's start with the article writing. So first of all, let me make you understand that what is an article. An article is a piece of writing written for a large audience. The main motive behind writing an article is that it should be published in either newspapers or magazines or journals, so as to make some difference to the world. It may be the topics of interest of the writer of it, may be related to some current issues. The topic can either be serious or not so serious. Same goes for its tone and language also. Okay, so this is called article writing. Now let me make you understand about an objectives of article writing. So an article is written with the following objectives. It brings out the topics or the matter of interest in the limelight. The article provides information on the topics. It offers suggestions and pieces of advice. It influences the readers and urges them to think. The article discusses various stories, persons, locations, rising issues, and technical developments. Okay, now I will make you understand about the format of article writing. As you can see in this picture, I have made this picture for all the classmates and all the scholars, that there is a format given of like article writing. So at the top of this picture you can see it's a ingredient of writing an article. So the first thing is title of the article. That is the most important thing, that the subject, the issue which you are writing on an article, you have to write the title of that. Okay, the title can be related to like any field, that can be like environment, politics, or entertainment, or any other field. Okay, and then you can see over here it's written writer's name. So the person needs to write his or her name, the who is writing that article. Then the important part of the body of the article writing. So you can say main part of the article. So it is divided into two parts. The one is introductive paragraph, and the another one is descriptive paragraph. So let me make you understand that what is introductive paragraph. Introductive means, that means you are giving an introduction in the paragraph form about the article. Suppose you can take an example of global warming. Okay, so you are writing an article on global warming. So in the first paragraph you are defining, you are giving a brief introduction about the topic. You are trying to make the readers understand that what you are going to write about an article. Okay, and the second one is descriptive paragraph. So in the second paragraph you have to describe your opinions, your thoughts about that particular issue or particular title. Now the another thing is additional information if needed. So any other information, any other relative facts which you want to add on in this article writing, you can do that if that is required over there. And the last and important part is conclusion, ending part of the article. So this is the last paragraph, this is the last part of the article writing, conclusion. Everyone knows about that. If we are writing on something, or if we are like discussing on something, then there has to be some kind of conclusion at the end of that conversation, or at the end of that writing portion. So you have to make out the conclusion. So ending paragraph of the article with the opinion or the recommendation, anticipation, or an appeal. Okay, now I will I will tell you about the important steps for article writing format. Think of the topic you want to write the article about. Only after you have decided your topic, you can go ahead and undertake the further steps in the process one by one. So the first thing is target audience. That means identify the concerning reading group. So you have to choose, you have to select the particular reading group, that which group is much more interested into your article. So you should start writing an article for those particular people. What is the purpose? Now the next thing is purpose. Find the objective or aim of writing the article. That is another important part of your article writing, that if you're writing in an article, then you have to mention the purpose also. And the third thing is collect and select. What is the meaning of this thing? Gather as much information as possible. So related to your article, you have to you should collect the important information as possible as you can, and also identify the details that is like significant. And the last thing is organize. Arrange all the information in a logical way so that you can put it in a proper way, and all the sentences should be connected each other. Okay. Now, moving on, I will explain you that what are the important points you need to keep in your mind before writing an article. Okay, the first thing is that the topics of the articles should be unique and relevant. The article has to get attention. It has to be interesting. It has to be easy to read. The reader is identified. And find the main goal of writing an article. The goal can be anything from providing information, entertainment, and advice, or for comparing, etc. The title must be eye-catching, clear, and interesting. The introduction or this starting paragraph must be highly attentive. Use your vocabulary skills or try to use some interrogative words for the start. Use clear statements and make assertions. Avoid repetition and over-the-top logic and reasons. Use the style of paragraph writing and write the contents uniquely and unambiguously. Avoid using the points which interest you only and not for the general public. Write a good and logical ending. So these are the very important points, class, and all the viewers and listeners to keep in your mind before start writing an article. So I hope that so far you have understood, and I have given you a clear vision on article writing, that these are the things which you need to aware about. And thank you so much for your patience and listening to me so carefully. And once again, I would like to make a request to all my scholars that if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe it and share as much as you can, and please comment on it. And if you have any queries or question, you can write it in a comment box, and I can answer your queries also. All right, so thank you so much once again. You have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.